Taking a road trip with friends and family can calm our minds and refresh our spirits after a stressful day. And to make it a success, you should have a look at the Class C motorhome, which can hold between 4 to 8 people and allow you to tow a separate car or a small boat. With such a variety of Class C motorhomes on the market, we thought we'd offer you some advice on which one is best for you. In today's video, we'll show you the top 5 Class C motorhomes of 2022 that are well built and tailored to give you excellent living space with ultimate comfort. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Since 1973, Leprechaun Class C motorhomes have delivered quality construction, interior appointments, and a host of safety and convenience features. And the Coachmen Leprechaun 311FS is no exception. Its deluxe chassis package includes factory recycling pilot and passenger cockpit seats, tilt steering wheel, upgraded steel running boards, and much more. There is a folding residential queen bed measuring 60 inches by 80 inches with 3 overhead storage cubbies and nightstands on either side of the bed. In the kitchen space, you will get residential size microwave oven, 14.7 cubic foot refrigerator, double bowl kitchen sink, a recessed 3-burner cooktop, and high-rise kitchen faucet. There is a premium shower head and faucet, vanity mirror, upgraded glass shower door, 6-gallon gas water heater, and much more for bathing. Dedicated to the enrichment of your life, the Coachmen Leprechaun 311FS is the leader of the great outdoors. The Triumph Class C motorhomes by Nexus RV feature the best construction of any motorhome in its category. This motorhome is built on the all-new Ford V8 7.3-liter chassis and offers an E350 40-gallon fuel tank for all of your adventures. You will get a laminated steel frame floor with composite substrate IPO wood, fiberglass sidewalls, and high-strength low-alloy lightweight steel cage throughout. There's a 13,500 BTU ducted roof AC, 25,000 BTU furnace, and above-floor heat ducts. While the furnishings include dinette booth, 40-inch living room TV, and deluxe innerspring mattress. You will get 3-burner stovetop with glass cover, 11.2 cubic feet residential refrigerator, and over-the-range residential microwave with exhaust fan. There is a stainless steel sink in the bath area with dual control faucet, porcelain toilet, shower head with flexible hose, black tank flush kit, and much more. Jayco's 2021 Greyhawk Class C motorhome provides a high degree of flexibility with floor plans and options, such as the modern farmhouse decor. Built on Ford E450 chassis, this motorhome runs on a 7.3-liter V8 350 horsepower engine and offers 55 gallons fuel tank. It features 15,000 BTU AC with heat pump, a 1,000-watt inverter, Sony infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Made of Stronghold VBL vacuum bond laminated roof, floor, and sidewalls, this motorhome has an 84-inch interior ceiling height and high-intensity recessed LED ceiling lights. There's a Jayco exclusive, easy operation legless dinette table, residential size microwave, 31,000 BTU auto ignition furnace, and 8 cubic feet flush mount double door refrigerator. Overall, the Jayco 2021 Greyhawk is engineered with several specific enhancements for a powerful blend of precise handling and renowned stability on the road. With keyless entry and push to start, the Thor Motor Coach Delano Sprinter comes with convenience in mind and delivers a smooth, stress-free ride for every journey. You will notice the easy-to-clean vinyl flooring as soon as you step into the Sprinter RV. Moreover, high-gloss Euro cabinetry throughout the RV has complimentary cabinet door hardware, hidden hinges, and slide-out fascia. Built on Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and offering a 3.0-liter V6 engine, this motorhome safety package includes active braking assist, attention assist, active lane keeping assist, wet wiper system, distance regulator, Distronic Plus, and much more. You will get to see a full-size bed, Comfort Flex Euro-style bed, support flip-up bed with reversible mattress and cushioned seating underneath. There are 3-point seat belts for drivers and passengers, cockpit carpet mat, and Mercedes-Benz 10.25-inch multimedia dash radio with Bluetooth, navigation, and Sirius XM. The kitchen space includes a double-door refrigerator, 2-burner gas cooktop, and large stainless steel single-bowl sink and faucet with pull-down sprayer. The Thor Motor Coach Delano Sprinter will be the best motorhome for your next road trip. Indeed, with so many options and features. Featuring an easy driver premium package for a smoother ride, the Entegra Accolade XL Super C rides on a Freightliner 52 RV chassis to give you ultimate comfort on wheels. Running on Cummins ISB 6.7-liter 360 horsepower diesel engine and offering a 10 gallons DEF tank, this motorhome can easily go from mountain roads to rain out at camp. There's a walk-around king-size bed with a bedspread, large wardrobes, solid surface nightstands, and a LED TV in the bedroom. It's got tough shell vacuum bond laminated floor and a one-piece seamless crowned fiberglass roof, which makes this vehicle a luxurious one. There are dual 15,000 BTU AC units with heat pumps and Onan 8,000-watt diesel generator with an auto-gen start. The kitchen space offers a 2-burner induction cooktop, a multifunctional legless dinette table, a tile backsplash with a wood-frame kitchen window and spice cabinets, and a 21 cubic feet side-by-side residential refrigerator. Overall, with superior craftsmanship and stunning interiors, the Entegra Coach Accolade XL 2022 is certainly a coach that will give you luxury on wheels and comfort. So, that was our list of the top 5 Class C motorhomes just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.